Hello friends, here we are. You know where we are, top dollar, but that is not our machine. That was our previous machine. And this is our current machine. Wifey and I moved over to this one to the right, top dollar. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Wifey is ready to get another top dollar. Yes, no, okay. Right over here, right next door. Conquered it. We were so close to double diamond, and then another symbol, but again, oh my shenanigans. Well, we didn't get it. We did get a top dollar in the last one, so here we are. Max betting $2.50. Okay. Everyone's favorite game. Remember, don't push that button. Okay, now, I told wifey don't push the max bet button other than the very first time, and look what happened. There you go. I said push the spin reels button or pull down. You pull it down so bad. You pull it down so bad.
It was mad at me.
It was mad at you. I haven't even seen the top dollar symbol. I see it right over here. And now, no, you're not supposed to hold it. Nicely, and yes, let go. There you go. That's how you pull a slot machine reel. See, look what you get. You get that. Okay. Let me do it. Okay, I'm gonna push that button. Now. Oh, one more down. That would have been great.
That was a 40 credit.
Oh my goodness. Hold, look at this. Yeah. Look at this. Friends, can you tell me? I know it falls randomly, but it knew what it was doing over there. It was trying to.
Cross-eyed, I would have.
If it were cross-eyed, it would have. It was trying to pull at our heartstrings over there, people. Yes, no. Seven.
What's 80 credits?
80 credits, $20, yeah. Let's see now. The exact same. Was it double bars last time too? Wow. Okay. We're trying to achieve the goal of multiple top dollars. Okay, there we go. Yes. You want to see that's triple bars with top dollar? With double diamond. Get down. Yes. Oh my goodness.
I wonder what happens if you get
two double diamonds. That's what they did in the high limit room. See, it multiplies everything if you get a line hit with it. That's why it's very good on the top, on the center reel, if you can like get some other stuff diagonal with it, like that. Come on, wifey. 7. Oh, Go back up.
I've never got 777.
I don't think so. It doesn't, oh, come on. It doesn't pay too huge, but come on, this one, double. Okay.
It's a little bit low.
Always a little bit too low. I agree. Try again. Hit the try again button. Try harder, top dollar. Bam. No, remember, you keep pushing the wrong button, wifey. The machine knows it's on max bet. You're telling it to spin reels now. See, she keeps pushing the max bet when I say push spin reels. Yeah. Ooh, now it's upstairs.
Maybe it needs my 10 cents.
Maybe it needs your 10 cent. Yeah, put that in there.
No, it doesn't work here.
Try it. That 10-cent ticket. There we go. Combining your forces.
It's always the same 7.
It's always the same one. Oh yeah, come on. Oh my god. Can we get a water, please? Oh yeah, thank you. Try again. It's actually making noise, it's funny. Oh, no. Come on, top dollar. Yes. No. So many close calls for that silly double diamond and top dollar. Come on.
I have to press this max too.
You have to. You have to. It makes sense. At least we got cherries. Oh. Okay. It's so funny. You get a cherry, you get a $2.50 back plus $1 because of double diamond. Bam.
Oh.
Okay, it's showing up closer. Try again. Take offer. Take offer. Okay. I want to get a double diamond line hit. Right, wifey? Yes. Double diamond line.
It always like goes short.
I just said to you, I want a double diamond line hit, and it was just gonna drop into the palm of our hands, and it was snatched away from the universe. You silly, silly top dollar. Try again, try again. I'm not even gonna say it. Okay. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
3. Can you go this many spins without a bonus? I guess you can. Oh my god, that double diamond on the bottom would have been nice. It would have been nice. Oh. Triple bars too. I mean, like if the line hit was there and then the double diamond is there. It's gonna be a, what? Okay, yeah. Double bar every time. Always a little fun one. There you go, little fun one. Good thing. Oh, is that it? Okay. Wifey said, I need a little bit more. Yeah, so wifey said tell a joke. So, what do you call someone who can't stop gambling? You call them a winner. That's what you call them. Let me tell you a joke, people. Yes. Yes. Okay. Good first spin. Okay. Okay. One time. It's always the same one too. It's always a single bar and double bar on either side. Just drop the double bar one time.
I think it's busted.
I think it's busted too. Maybe he wants you to do $10 bets. Oh my goodness. If those double diamonds would have fallen too, that's pretty good. Triple bar, double diamond. Oh my god. Above and behind. Above and behind. Okay. Let me guess. I was gonna say. I did the last one, wifey says? Okay. Last spin, best spin, people. Last spin, best spin.
It's exactly 10.
It's exactly. That would have been so nice. Last spin, best spin. And we'll leave our 10 cents and be on our merry way. Wifey says cash it out, actually. So we tried to get top dollar, but we couldn't. Maybe we should have stayed on our other machine, but we tried our hardest. Thank you for watching. Thanks for nothing, top dollar. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, folks.